Good day, welcome to Mr. Yohai Pabi. Yan, so may free sticker yan. And so unboxing and review tayo ng ating unit na Sun Viper R615 na Army Armament John Wick 4 TTI Sun Viper Gas Blowback Airsoft Pistol. Yan, so may kasamang manual po yan for safety, procedure, disassembly and assembly. Yan. Yan, so ito po yung ating magazine, High Kappa Mags 30 rounds. So may logo po yan. Yan, so ito yung ating unit. Ganda. So nakamagwell na din po yan. So may markings, logos, aggressive stapling. So may serration sa rear and front slide. So may markings. And so may mount for ready for red dot optics. Wala lang siyang iron sight, no? Yan, so may logos and markings na compensator. Yan. Ambidextrous safety. Yan, check natin. Yan po yung kanyang safety. Left and right po yan. Yan. Pag binaba, yun. Yan. So, naka-extended mag-release. May railings. Pwedeng lagyan ng laser flashlight. Yan. Fully licensed by TTI, JAG Precision. Full metal construction. Featured by John Wick 4. RMR ready. Yan. So, Army Armament. Yan. TTI, replica pistol, high kappa. Yan. So, yung kanyang FPS nasa 300. Doon sa isa kong video, makikita doon kung ilang FPS po talaga itong Sun Viper. Yan, semi-auto. Gas blowback, yes. Adjustable hop-up. Weight ito, 1.06 kg and kanyang length ay 260 mm. Yan. Barrel, threaded type. Siyempre, clockwise, positive. And material ay metal. Thank you.